Getting ready for your Family Nurse Practitioner board exam? If pharmacology feels like the toughest part, don't worry. Today, we're breaking down exactly what you need to know and how to study smarter, not harder. Pharmacology is one of the most important and most tested topics on the FNP exam. But here's the secret. It's not about memorizing hundreds of drug names. It's about knowing how to use medications safely and effectively in real-life clinical situations. Pharmacology questions appear across nearly every section of the exam. They test your understanding of drug selection, side effects, contraindications, and patient safety. Mastering pharmacology strengthens your confidence and clinical reasoning, both for the test and in practice. So instead of trying to memorize every drug, focus on the essentials drug classes, first-line treatments, and safety considerations. Let's go through the key areas you need to know. First up, cardiovascular medications. You'll need to know your antihypertensives, including ACE inhibitors, ARBs, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and thiazide diuretics. Don't forget lipid-lowering agents like statins, especially their side effects, such as muscle pain and the need for liver function monitoring. Also, review anticoagulants, know the difference between warfarin and DOACs, and understand the key monitoring requirements for each. Next, endocrine medications. You should be comfortable with diabetes, drugs, insulin types, metformin, GLP-1 receptor agonists, and SGLT2 inhibitors. For thyroid management, understand levothyroxine dosing, potential interactions, and proper monitoring. And when it comes to corticosteroids, remember their side effects, tapering process, and long-term complications. For infectious disease medications, know your antibiotic classes: penicillins, cephalosporins, macrolides, fluoroquinolones, and sulfonamides. Understand when to use broad versus narrow-spectrum antibiotics and recognize common adverse reactions as well as resistance concerns. Now for respiratory medications. Review asthma management, the difference between rescue and maintenance inhalers, such as SABAs, LABAs, and corticosteroids. For COPD, know the role of long-acting bronchodilators and inhaled corticosteroids. And don't overlook patient education. Proper inhaler technique often shows up in questions. Psychiatric medications are another major area. Know your antidepressants, SSRIs, SNRIs, TCAs, and MAOIs, and their common side effects and interactions. Understand antipsychotics, both typical and atypical, and be aware of metabolic monitoring requirements. Finally, for anxiolytics, review benzodiazepines and their safer alternatives. Lastly, pain management. Be clear on NSAIDs and their risks, including GI bleeding and renal effects. Understand safe opioid prescribing, side effects, and patient monitoring. And know the available non-opioid pain management options. These are your high-yield pharmacology areas, the ones that show up again and again. Focus on first-line drugs, black box warnings, major contraindications, and patient-specific factors like age or pregnancy. To study effectively, build a structured review plan. Dedicate 2 to 3 pharmacology study sessions each week. Break your topics down by system and rotate them to stay sharp. Focus on learning drug classes instead of memorizing every drug. Pair your studies with clinical guidelines: J&C 8 for hypertension, ADA for diabetes, and GOLD or GINA for respiratory conditions. Then, practice with case-based questions. The FNP exam always tests pharmacology in context. Keep an error log of any questions you miss and review it weekly. Take readiness exams to simulate the real testing experience. This builds your confidence and highlights areas for improvement. When exam day comes, always think safety first. Choose the medication that's safest for that specific patient. eliminate contraindicated options, and remember red flag side effects and first-line treatments. Pharmacology might seem overwhelming, but with a structured plan and consistent practice, it becomes manageable, even enjoyable. Focus on what truly matters, connect it to clinical reasoning, and apply what you've learned to case-based scenarios. Want to make your pharmacology prep simpler and more effective? Visit LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com for FNP test banks, review courses, and readiness exams, all designed to help you pass with confidence. Question for you: which pharmacology topic do you find the hardest? Cardiovascular, endocrine, or psych? Let me know in the comments.